Hi, my name's Christine and I am at Tokyo Station in Japan visiting a Traveler's Notebook Factory store. So I'm going to take you in the store, show you what's available, and then I'm going to show you what we bought. So I showed you some of the stamps that you could stamp in your books, and I just want to show you them here stamped so you can see some of the ones that are available. It's a very small table and it can get very crowded with people. There's like the Kyoto, there was Osaka, Tokyo, plus all these fun ones as well that you can stamp in your books. Now, you might have also noticed that that store was tiny. It's so crushed. So I tried to show you some things, but it was so many people and barely any place to move. So it was hard to film in there. But of course, everybody is going for the Tokyo Station exclusives. And that's what I was really looking at. And the big thing is the leather book for Tokyo Station. So I got that, as well as this book here. And then this one as well goes with this collection. And I got the bag for Tokyo Station as well. So these are some of the key items that when you're at that store, you are looking for. Then I also got the Tokyo Station letterpress stickers, as well as the brass tag. Then while I was there, I picked up a few of these other just like ephemera, this other little book. I got some washi tape, Traveler's Factory Station. And then I picked up the Pan Am book and just a spiral notebook with some paper pockets. So, as I mentioned, the store is extremely small. It's near the JR area information desk in Tokyo Station. So it's not too hard to find. They do have some of the exclusives that everyone's looking for, but it is tiny in there. So you want to just get what you get, shop, get some stamps, and move on. But if you are in Tokyo, then I highly recommend checking out the Traveler's Factory at Tokyo Station.